everyone. Today I will take you to the one of the most historical place in Jakarta, the Museum Fathahillah. Okay, before we start our vlog, let us introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Anissa Rahmadini. Hello, my name is Nadine Katarina.
Hi, my name is Karnita Detastri.
Hi, my name is Fatia Trias Bidari.
Okay, back to our vlog. By the way, this museum is located at Taman Fathahillah number 1, Pinang Sia, West Jakarta. So for the first time, we took the LRT to Cawang. From Cawang, we continued took the KRL train straight to Kota Tua. And the trip was pretty fun because we could see different part of the city along the way. And it took around 1 hour to get there. But it did not feel that long since we were talking and enjoying the view.
Shortly we will arrive at final destination, Jakarta Kota Station. Please mind your belongings. Thank you for commuting with Kereta Komuter Indonesia.
Then when we arrived at Kota Tua Station, we walked for a few minutes to reach the museum.
The Fathahillah Museum has a very historic and lively atmosphere. The building is in the Dutch colonial style with a classic, elegant feel. Outdoors, many tourists take photos, video, ride clever bicycle, and enjoy street music. Inside, the atmosphere is more serene and steeped in story, uh, as if transporting you back to Jakarta. Museum Fathahillah, located in Jakarta's Old Town, is a classical Dutch colonial building with a grand symmetrical facade, tall windows, and a cupola tower. It is surrounded by Fathahillah Square, a wide open yard with gardens, a fountain, and historic artifacts like the Sejagur cannon around the square. Visitors can also find other landmarks such as the Wayang Museum, the Fine Art, and ceramics. And the famous Cafe Batavia, making the whole area a lively center of history and culture. Inside, the museum displays Jakarta's past through various rooms and even old colonial dungeons.
The interior of the Museum Fathahillah
Feature dance colonial architecture with special roofs, hinging ceilings, and large windows. Inside an antique furniture, painting, cloths, and historical artifacts of Jakarta. The floors are friendly wooden or stone, creating a classic and historical atmosphere.
Jadi menurut Bapak Museum Fathahillah itu seperti apa?
Museum Fathahillah ini adalah sebuah museum. Di sini dijelaskan seluruh kejadian dari sebelum perjuangan bahkan karena kerajaan perjuangan, di mana museum ini lengkap, terutama khususnya untuk sejarah-sejarah tentang Jakarta ya.
Iya Kak, yang pertanyaan terakhir kan Bapak udah ngeliat-liat di dalamnya museum ada peninggalan sejarah dan lain-lainnya. Kira-kira apakah Bapak bakalan ke Museum Fathahillah lagi?
Oh pasti, karena kebetulan saya guru sejarah. Jadi setiap tahun saya akan bawa anak saya ke sini. Ya, dan saya juga hobi melihat hasil sejarah, hasil perjuangan dari para pejuang asal.
Oke, terima kasih semuanya atas perhatiannya.
Bapak juga terima kasih
Terima kasih,
ya,
Bapak.
Pak. Mungkin segini aja wawancara dari kami. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And then for the most interesting part from me was when we were inside the museum. Before we went out, there was a spot with a projector that shows some colorful house or buildings, and it looked so cool, and we took many photos here. We also saw a statue, and I'm not sure what it was, but many people were taking picture of it too. And it was fun because everyone looked amazed by the art. And then inside the museum, there were also some big old wooden cabinets and furniture that looked like from the past. I think that was the most fun part of visiting the Museum Fatahillah. It was beautiful and full of story, but also really fun to explore with my friends.
So, that's all about the Fatahillah Museum in Jakarta. If you love history and old building, this place is a must visit. And thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.